favorite chef. Let's get cooking!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
I make food like you should, and when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maya, Chef Maya. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire.
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Fire. I'm the sister of Chef Maia.
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we are making funnel cake. I know someone requested funnel cake, one of my friends, and so we're gonna make it today. So first what we'll be needing is 2 cups of flour in a medium-sized bowl. I'll show you guys how to make it, but I'm just gonna tell you the ingredients that we need for the first steps. So 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. So gather all those ingredients and that material, and also get a whisk too. So gather all those ingredients and materials, and I'll see you guys next. But before we do that, welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you've been with my channel for a long time. So yeah, make sure you go subscribe and like this video. Again, our goal is 200 by the end of September. And yeah, I appreciate all the subscribers already. I mean, 186 is really a lot, like really. So yeah, let's get started. And yeah, also hit that notifications bell. And yeah, again, welcome to Chef Maia. Everything's good. And so yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so we got our medium-sized bowl. Well, this is really a large, but that's totally fine. So first what we want to do is go ahead and add in 2 cups of flour. So you guys know how I get with flour, so I'm gonna do it over the bowl. Yep. Like that's about like kind of 1/2. Or like kind of like 1 cup. Yeah, I think this is like kind of like 2 cups compared to that thing that we just did. So yeah, this will be our 2 cups. It might not be exact, but I have to refill this anyways because as you can see, it is empty. So yeah. Anyways, next what we want to do is go ahead and get our granulated sugar. And put in 2 tablespoons of it. So 1 and 2. And now what we want to do is go ahead and get 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So baking powder, and where is 1 teaspoon? Wait. Okay. Wait 1 second. All right, I'm back. Yeah. Right. So this is a teaspoon. So 1, 2. This is a half teaspoon, as you can see. And then so we need 1 teaspoon of that, and then put in a half teaspoon of salt. Right there. Then we want to go ahead and get a whisk and mix that all in. So let me go get a whisk and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay. Mix that in until it's all well combined. This is gonna taste amazing. I literally have funnel cake every single time I go to the fair. Or like bring your child to work day. They have really good funnel cakes there. So yeah, funnel cakes are literally my favorite dessert probably ever because like you just pick it up and it tastes delicious. So yeah, this looks all well combined now. So let's go ahead and get a medium-sized bowl now, and I'll see you guys. Okay, guys. So now what we want to do is go ahead and get a cup of milk and pour it in to your medium bowl. Alright, so this is definitely not enough milk. This is like a half cup. So let me get some more milk real quick and Alright guys, so I had to mix together 2 different milks because the one that I usually use, we ran out of it, and then I was about to use some almond milk, but I want my mom to be able to taste these funnel cakes, so I decided to use the milk that she drinks. So yeah. Okay guys, so what we want to do now is go ahead and get 2 eggs and crack them in. And you want to keep the egg yolks and egg whites. So yeah. So let's crack this one. And then let's go ahead and whisk that in. I'm gonna use the same whisk. It's totally fine. And whisk that all together till it's nice and smooth, and you don't see any like egg yolks that you can really see. It's just like nice and smooth. So yeah, just keep mixing that. And I'm gonna keep mixing, but what you also want to do now, it's what you want to go ahead and pour in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that's a half teaspoon. Whoa, that looks so cool. Oh, that's okay. Vanilla extract tastes good, so go ahead and mix that in. I'll see you guys next. Okay guys, so welcome back. Since this container is pretty big, I think I'm just gonna pour the dry ingredients in instead of the, or yeah, I don't really want to use a container. I want to use a real bowl. So we're just gonna pour this in gently. So like this, and just keep mixing. This will be our funnel cake mix. So this is looking good so far. And yeah, you want to continue using a whisk because we want to make sure it is all well combined. And I wouldn't use an electrical mixer for this. So yeah. Alright. So that's like it. And just keep mixing it all together. Should be a little liquidy. And yeah. So make sure it's all smooth and there's like no lumps. Smells really good. Alright. So what you want to do now is get a large pot. Make sure you have parent supervision. I'm gonna go ask my mom if I can do this, or at least she can watch me do it, or she can help me do it. She probably has to help me because the oil can be really hot and lead to serious injuries. So yeah. But yeah. Heat up 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil and make sure it's hot. Yeah. Or you know what? I might just use the fryer. I'm gonna ask my mom if I could use the fryer because I don't really want to do it like the old-fashioned way. I just like the fryer. It's nice. So yeah. This looks all mixed up. All good as we want it. Smells good. You really want to put that vanilla in because it's gonna make it more rich. Alright, so go ahead and wait. Alright, let me get a new one of these. This is a little dirty. Okay, so I got a new one, and now what we want to do is go ahead and pour in a half cup. Wait, I need it to face me so I know. So a half cup. So just pour in a half cup. We only need a half cup for each funnel cake. And don't worry, they're going to be big funnel cakes. So this is going to be like, ooh. That always happens. It's okay. You always wipe it down later. Do not eat it because it has raw egg. I know, like in my other videos, I ate like raw egg because it was just too tempting, but you know, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, just like, yeah. So like heat up the oil or use a fryer. And I'll see you guys next. Hi guys, welcome back. So we have hot oil. Just make sure that your parent or guardian is here. My mom is here right now. So we have hot oil about 2 to 3 inches high. If yours has handles, please do not go like on it, because then it could fall on you and it will lead to serious injuries and it could kill you. So what you really want to do is use a fryer, but if you don't have one, we have one, but we just need to clean it out because we made some chicken wings and fries. So we're just gonna do this. So you want to get your half cup of funnel cake mix and carefully pour it in. So into like kind of fast, but not too fast on top. So let's keep overlapping over and over again. And yeah. Sorry if you guys can't really see. Alright. So you want to let it in for like 90 seconds on each side. Sorry you guys can't really see. Okay. Now, let it cook for a little bit. Then you want to go ahead and flip it over. So until it's golden brown on the other side. So flip it and then flip it, and I'll see you guys next. And it looks like this, nice and golden brown. And we're going to flip it over again. That's not done yet. And make sure you go ahead and get a plate with some napkins on top or paper towels on top, because we do want to get all the grease out. So you really want to use like a ladle or a that thing that you use in science class. It's like, I don't know, but you just want to use a ladle and like pour it in carefully, and then you want to flip it carefully. It's okay. But yeah, that looks good. So maybe a little bit more time on that one. But yeah, we're gonna continue doing it more, and I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so the funnel cake was delicious. As you see, I ate it all. But yeah, it literally just tastes like all the other funnel cakes, the great funnel cakes at fairs and bring your child to work day. So you should probably get know how it tastes. But yeah, it tastes delicious, especially with a lot of powdered sugar. It's just like amazing. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Binky still wants funnel cake, as you see, but he's a little cry right now. He just went outside and was like, yeah! But anyways, guys, please smash that like button if you like this video. And if you didn't like this video, then I want you to go ahead and watch my other how-to videos. If this is not the video you're looking for, then just watch my other how-to videos. Make sure you please subscribe. Our goal is 200 by the end of September. We have 186, and that is amazing. And Binky still wants more funnel cake. Okay. Anyways, guys, that's it for today, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Everything's good.
See you next time.
Yeah.